Alright, so I ordered a print online from the Lust list, and I've just cut the tape. Now we're going to unbox it. Oh, look, really nice. Oh, let me do this. Okay. It says shopping order. I hope you enjoy your items. Oh, I didn't feel like opening, but like, look, this feels like Christmas. Oh, feel loved. I love wrapping. Here, wrap. I can do this. I can do this. Oh. Ready? 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 Wow! I was expecting it to be this way, but it's portrait. So it's printed on card. I guess it's ready for mounting. Wow, that is some expensive looking ice cream. It's like a classic cone, waffle cone, pound pop. Wow, it's like really thick. Really thick card. I'm glad it's protected. And then I'm gonna